Hey there, welcome back, and if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. Today's wig show and tell is brought to you by LuvmeHair. The link below to this wig will be in the description box if you're interested. Inside of the box, I received some goodies. I got a wig cap, which came with 2 pieces, a LuvmeHair manual, Luvme lashes. I'll be sure to leave the style link below. A small bag with some items in it that's really helpful to help apply your wig. It also comes with a Luvme flower tamer, and you also receive your wig. LuvmeHair was kind to send me one of their full lace wigs, so each hair strand is hand tied to the wig. There is no wefts. On the inside you get 3 combs, and you also get another comb in the back and the nape area with adjustable straps. The density of this wig is 150%. The hair color is in a natural black, and it also states that the hair material is 100% virgin hair from donor. The way the texture feels is really soft and silky. I really like it. This is how the hairline comes straight out of the box. It comes pre-plucked, and one thing I love about the shape of the hairline, it's really nice and realistic with the swerves and the dip, and it also have like a widow's peak. I really like it. They did a great job. So even though the hairline comes pre-plucked, it comes pre-plucked all around, so you could put this wig up in a great beautiful ponytail. Right here is where I hooked my adjustable straps in the back. The way I kept my hair underneath, I just have everything braided straight back with a black stocking cap on and my wig grip. And now the wig is fully blow dried, and this hairline looks so amazing. It blends really nice, and I did not even tint the lace yet. So to tint the lace, I'm going to use the Wig Guru's lace tint spray in the shade Caramel Frappe. And you just take this spray and you just spray it on your lace underneath, and then you go in and blow dry it. And you could build up the shade if you want, if it's like a little darker. And they have other different shades. You don't have to get Caramel Frappe, but if you're interested, I'll be sure to leave a link below. And to cut the lace, I'm going to use my zigzag scissors. I got these scissors off Amazon. Big shout out to Tiara Monette because she put me onto this a while ago. And it makes sense because they're saying now, in order to get a flush look with your lace wigs, you should cut the lace really jagged and kind of crooked, so there's not a straight line of demarcation when you cut the lace. So I was like, let me just use the zigzag scissors, and look at that. Ooh, look at that. Blends beautiful. This kind of lace is unique in the lace wig market. Their Swiss lace is very stretchy and thin, soft and invisible. Their grids are very small and fine, so it makes it easy for the lace to hide and be very undetectable. I see why they call it their undetectable lace. Pull the wig, and then the lace rips through the T-pin, so I'll put a lot just so it can stay in place. So because this hairline is not a exact hairline match to mine, I'm sorry that I'm kind of out of focus. I did not know I was so low on camera, but I'm just taking a lip liner and I'm just marking the hairline of the wig so I know where to apply my glue and tape. Yes, I said it, today I am using lace tape, y'all. Stay tuned for that. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, I really got a whole lot of forehead. Oh my god. But this wig is about to take away some of that. I hope I'm not catfishing anybody. So the the tape that I will be using today is a boho lace tape. I tried this tape one time before and I love this tape a lot. Your wig really stays in place, you guys. Word to everything. First, I'm going to take 1 square off that row of tape and I'm going to bend it in half, then cut it. After that, I'm going to take 1 rectangle, then take my zigzag scissors and cut that rectangle in half the long way. And before I put it on, I tried to lift up the white part just a little bit, so when it's time to peel the tape off my head, I just peeled that little bit that I took up at first and rip it off. If that makes sense, you guys will see what I'm talking about. So I only applied 5 pieces of tape to my hairline. After that, I'm just going to go in and peel off the white part of the tape. So now I am going in with the Bold Hold Active Glue, and I bought this off of Amazon. When you purchase it, it comes with a little glider so you can help apply your glue. I love it. I just use it, wash it off, and use it again. To speed up the process a little more, I use my travel size blow dryer on the cool temperature. Now I'm just gently taking my time, lining up the edge of the hairline with the tape and the glue, and just laying it down and also like pushing it onto the glue and the tape. So the laying of the hairline is coming along well, but just to finish it up, I'm going to go in with some got2b glue freeze blast spray on the ends of the lace, and then just push it in and then blow dry it on the temperature cool just to get it nice and tacky at the ends. Ooh, looky here. Look at that hairline. Yes, Luvme Hair got me feeling nice. I'm just gonna bend this so it could be really fine on my hair and just lay directly on my hairline, and just tie it really tightly in the back, but not too tight where I left the wig tied down for about 30 minutes, and this is the end result. This is what the wig looks like if you don't want to wear your wig with makeup. Like, oh my god, it looks so great, especially in natural sunlight. Like, this wig is a bomb diggity, you guys. I don't know where I'm getting these words from, but I'm just trying to express how I feel because it looks great. So this is only going to be a wig show and tell because in the back, the sides do come pre-plucked, so you could gel down the back. And look at that lace. Blended to the gods, darling, to the gods. Right here's my end results, and you also don't have to put the wig in a high bun. You can also put it in a ponytail. It is still cute. You can even wear the hair down to a middle part, side part, like it still works. I should have shown you guys the parting, but I left that out. I'm so sorry. And I think I look so freaking hot, you guys. Like, look at me. Look at me. But let me not get conceited. If you'd like to know more about this wig, please stay tuned. To be honest, I really was not ready. No, I'm lying. I'm ready. Because nobody can't tell me nothing in this wig. Like, nobody. Not even my mama can tell me nothing. This wig. So I live in New York, and I believe they're like located in China. I'm not sure where they're located, but wherever they are, it took 2 days to get to me. It was super duper fast. As for the hair, even though it's silky, there's no like tangling. It's just so freaking soft and nice. I mean, if the front already looking great, I need the back to look great too, but it's still cute. You guys get the vision I am going for. The hair had no smell. It was just so nice, and when I washed the hair, it had no running dye. It was clean. Shedding, I am getting some shedding, but it could be due to the fact that I did pluck the hairline, so hopefully over time the shedding does stop. And the lace, this lace. What lace, boo? What lace? This wig is so freaking cute. I don't want to be sitting here yabbling all day, because if I do, I'm gonna keep saying